looked on your chart, 2015, I think, we did your eyes, your brows, and your lips. And the only thing that we have retouched on Janet since we've done her is her eyebrows, which I actually did her brows on TV as a retouch for Sonora Living. What's going to happen when I do it, see, I've always do the eyeliner in the lash line, so when she closes her eye, you can close your eyes, you don't see a line. When she opens her eyes, you can see that the line is underneath her eyelashes. So what it does for somebody is it makes your eye color look bright and your lashes look longer. It's not meant to make you look like Cleopatra. It'll never become dated. It will always age with you. And I never do any color but black because it's a color that will always enhance your eye color no matter what. Black makes the eyes pop. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to enhance what she's got. Normally I put lidocaine on the eyes, which is, I think, the most annoying part of the whole procedure. And we're going to see what Janet thinks today because she's always done it with lidocaine. Today we're going to try it without and see what she thinks. I can always put it on if she wants it. All I'm going to do is flip your eyelid up, and this will feel a little scratchy, tickly, and you can tell me to stop at any time. You okay? It kind of makes you feel like you want to rub your eyes when you're having it done. What do you think, Janet? She says. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe it off. And this is what looks so amazing. Or at least I think it does. Okay, look how pretty her blue eyes look. See the difference between that eye and this eye?
Are you done with the top eye? It's better without the, what do you call it?
The lidocaine? Go all the way back at your braid. You're doing great. Okay, got it. Got it.
I think it is better without that though, for sure.
Well, because you don't have the stinging.
Yeah.
See, with the lidocaine feels like you have soap in your eyes. Well, let's see. Look all the way back. Let's get this edge here. Okay, got it. Done. Got it. Now close. Okay, got it. Done with top.
It sounds weird, but it almost tickles. That's what makes me crazy.
I know, it makes you want to rub your eyes, or at least makes me want to rub mine.
Yep.
Okay, so now you just got to do the bottom. Okay, so look all the way back at your brain. And you know what's neat about this is it's a little bit of annoyance for a minute or two, but it's got such longevity. Look up. Look all the way back.
back. Okay.